The Iran war is expected to hit U.S. travelers in the pocketbook in the near term as gas prices rise ahead of the spring break and road trip seasons, and airlines are likely to pass along higher jet fuel prices to consumers. Gas prices in the U.S. are set to top $3 a gallon on Monday following the U.S. strikes in Iran, Reuters reported, citing an analyst at GasBuddy and noting average retail gas prices were as low as $2.85 a gallon last month. Stocks for U.S. travel companies slid Monday morning, with Dow Jones indices for U.S. airlines and hotels both down around 2%. Several Western-branded hotels in the Middle East have sustained damage in the early days of the war, including a 5-star Crowne Plaza in Bahrain and a Fairmont-branded luxury hotel on Palm Jumeirah in Dubai. Unlike the June 2025 strikes, the Department of Homeland Security has not issued an NTAS bulletin warning of a, quote, heightened threat environment in the U.S., nor have domestic airports increased screenings or restrictions related to the Iran war. Across the Middle East, thousands of flights have been canceled due to airspace closures. Additionally, jet fuel prices, a major expense accounting for 20 to 30% of an airline's overhead, are increasing. On Monday, the stocks of the three major legacy airlines with the most international routes, Delta Airlines, United Airlines, and American Airlines, each dropped by 3 to 5%. Major U.S. hospitality companies Marriott, Hilton, and Hyatt have invested heavily in the Middle East in recent years as the region has exploded as a hot travel destination. Last week, Marriott reported that Saudi Arabia and the United Arab Emirates were among the company's top 5 highest growth markets in 2025. Hilton has a large Middle East footprint and an aggressive pipeline of more than 100 new properties in the region, with a big focus on Gulf and Saudi openings. Hyatt's pipeline is also focused on Saudi Arabia, with multiple new projects announced for the Red Sea and Alula, an ancient oasis city and region in northwestern Saudi Arabia. All three hospitality companies have seen their stock drop between 1% and 2% since Friday. For more on this story, check out the article at the link in the description.